All right, guys, all capital here talking about Bitcoin because apparently this is the hot topic for this whole year is Bitcoin. And while I'm not personally in it and I have no position, I can definitely help out with a little bit of technical analysis on the charts here and where I see it bouncing. Uh, Top is clearly 20,000. Um, And according to price history, it's actually going to go well below 12,000 and even crack under 10. And most likely, the best time to buy Bitcoin right now is 9,500 and under. Now, how did I get to this number and why is this 100 EMA important? Well, let's look at price history. So it does have potential to bounce off the 50 EMA. I mean, that can happen. But as we look back further, boom, here's a dip to the 100. Another one, dip right under the 100. Going even further, another dip under the 100 EMA. And further, another dip 100 under the 100. And we keep going back and back. And you'll see the same thing, dip under the 100. And this one, it actually touched 250. But this was when Bitcoin was extremely volatile for the low price, acting like a penny almost. Here we go, cracking under the 100, cracking under the 100, building support. And this is where the chart gets ugly. It looks like it was around 2015. Not a lot of hype on Bitcoin. I mean, look at the volatility on this thing. In a 2 day span, it dropped, looks like to be over $100. And so, yeah, that's just, I guess that's the history of trading view on this thing starts at 2015, although I know there's more history behind it. But as far as the chart goes, that is the trend under the 100 EMA dip. And I'm not saying that it's the best time to buy at this price, but I mean, if you're going to go with price action, price history, chart history, I would definitely aim for under the 100 EMA here, looking at 9,500 and under. I mean, this will rise depending on the action here for the next few days. But if it continues to drop, you can see this long candle wick here dropped all the way to 10,000. In fact, people say that 10,000 is like the floor, and it is a good anchor number that you want to anchor numbers or whole numbers that people sort of uh, aggregate to. They like that number. It's a whole human psychology thing. We like whole numbers, but if you really want to minimize risk, just ignore everything and aim for under the 100 EMA. That would definitely minimize your risk. And this is just a nice correction here. I mean, three big green red gap candles. Things often fall faster than they rise. So just aim for 100 EMA and under, and that'll minimize your risk. I'm not a foremost expert on Bitcoin, but I am pretty good at technical analysis and mitigating risk according to chart history. And as I showed you, that time and time again, it will bounce just under the 100 EMA. All right, guys. Well, I hope I helped some of you out, and maybe if you guys bought at the top here, a nice double down here, we'll put you right in the middle, and you might be able to get out. I'm not saying that Bitcoin is worthless, but it's always nice to buy in with a lower average. All right, guys. Hopefully that helped you out. See you next time.